Today, I'm right here at the Kallang River to show you a 4-bedroom apartment that is extremely rare to come by and contains great built-in profit. If you were to miss this opportunity, you might never get another chance like this. Welcome to the Tre Ver. Exactly how rare is the supply of 4-bedroom in this development and in the entire Potong Pasir? In Tre Ver alone, there are 729 residential units, but only 27 units are 4-bedroom apartment. And in the entire Potong Pasir area, there is only 10 such units for sale under the 3 million price tag. But guess what? My asking price for this barely 1-year-old condominium is only 2.65 million at less than 2,000 per square foot. This price sits in an extremely sweet spot amongst comparable projects such as the Woodleigh Residences and Park Colonial. Did you know Woodleigh Residences 4-bedroom owners paid an average of 2,002 PSF during launch? Think about it, how much would they need to sell their 4-bedroom for in the future? As for Park Colonial, although it's 1 year older than the Tre Ver, average resale transactions are hovering around the 2,100 PSF price range. With Tre Ver's 4-bedroom asking for less than 2,000 PSF, wouldn't this provide a great built-in margin for you to protect yourself? Most importantly, is your risk the lowest amongst everyone else's? The Tre Ver's 4-bedroom comes in two sizes at 1,335 square feet and 1,378 square feet. The 1,335 square feet 4-bedroom sits in the garden block with the highest residential level being 7. It overlooks the infinity pool and gives you direct access to the sky loft on level 8, where there are facilities such as barbecue pits and also fitness stations. The other 4-bedroom sits in the tower block, whereby the highest residential level is 19. It overlooks the Kallang River and has a city view. The apartment which we are viewing today sits on the ground level of the garden block. This is also my preferred block and stack because it is non-west sun facing and the layout is so much more thoughtful. As you step into this apartment, you can immediately feel the breeze because of the window next to the foyer area. The kitchen is nicely tucked on my right-hand side. This is an L-shaped kitchen featuring a range of fittings such as the integrated oven, countertop, shelvings and also storage cabinets. It comes with a WC and a balcony which overlooks a reserved site. This balcony is great because most condominiums only have enclosed yard space. Here we are in the living and dining area. As you can see, this is a landscape layout, so it allows a lot of natural light to come into the space. Here you can put a 8-seater dining table as well as a sofa. But because the current owner enjoys alfresco dining, so they put their dining table outside. Being on the ground floor, a lot of people are concerned about privacy, and this is why developers have built the palm trees over here to tackle that, without having to compromise the amount of natural light that comes into this unit. This is a secondary entrance to the apartment which gives you direct access to the affinity pool in front of you. If you're concerned about the noise, do not worry because this place over here is not the main activity zone. This patio also connects the living room to the first common bedroom. This common bedroom is connected to the second common bedroom via a shared bathroom. We call this a Jack and Jill toilet. The benefit of such a layout is that it saves space and also eliminates the need for individual ensuite bathroom and is very practical. Right here, we are in the junior master bedroom. To me, this is a very versatile room. It can act as a guest room, an entertainment room, or even become a space for older children or teenagers, allowing them to have their own independent living area within the home. In the master bedroom, you are able to fit a king-size bed here with 2 side tables with still a lot of space to walk around. What I love about this apartment is that all the bedrooms are equipped with windows which allow cross ventilation. All the fittings in this household is currently still under the 1-year defect liability period. This means if you were to find any defects, you can get the developer to rectify it. The nearest mall is Point Centre, Ulay Mall and next at Serangoon. For your daily needs, you can cross the road to one of the HDB blocks where you can find supermarkets and eateries. The Tre Ver is a 8 minutes walk to 2 different MRT stations, mainly Potong Pasir MRT and Ulay MRT. Potong Pasir MRT is 3 stops away from Little India where you can change for the downtown line, 4 stops away from Dhoby Ghaut MRT where you can change for the Circle and North-South line. Or you can connect to anywhere from Tre Ver via the CTE, PIE and KPE. Tre Ver is also surrounded by a lot of schools for kids of all ages. Within 1 kilometer, there is the First Patio Primary School, St. Andrew's Junior College, to name a few. And these are the schools within 1 to 2 kilometers. Thanks for joining me on this home tour at the Tre Ver 4-bedroom, 1,335 square feet, 2.65 million. I am Joy, and if you'd like to have a look at this apartment, do contact me and I'll be happy to show you around.